So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can delete your Stripe account. So it's like you created a Stripe account and you are facing some issues like this, or you found any better payment gateway which is suitable for you, and now what you want is you want to completely delete your Stripe account. How you can do it? So let's start. So at first you have to go to the settings. You see the settings. Now here in this settings you see this in this account settings you see this business. Scroll down. Now you see this option close your account. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this close account. Now here it will send you a code to your phone number. Now after you paste the code, verification code, you click on this close account. It will take some time. Wait. Now here it will ask you for your password. Is now completely deleted. Now there is no more Stripe account associated with your email address. It's completely closed. You will get a mail also. I will show you this thing. Just after doing it you will receive a mail like this, where you will get a mail from Stripe that your account is successfully closed. You see this. Now the API keys will not work. So this is the whole process how you can delete your Stripe account. Hope this is helpful for you. If this is, just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.